Alright, today I'm going to show you the only 3 React hook you need to know. useState is a hook mostly used to save state from user or backend. For example, saving the Java Web Token of the user or the user ID. We start by importing the useState hook from React. To declare a useState hook, we need to give it 2 things: state name, in our example is clicks, and the function responsible for changing the state. We name it here setClicks, and a default value we give it here 0. For example, you can add 1 to the state value on every click using isClick function like this. useEffect is used to run some code when the page load, or when a variable change, or when a variable we chose change. The first thing is importing the useEffect hook from React. The first thing is the function or code that we run, and the second thing is dependencies, and it is the variable responsible for running the function and the first argument. If we leave it empty, the code runs when the page loads. In our example, we will run alert when the page loads. We can assign clicks to the dependency argument, so the code will run every time the click states change. We start by importing the create context. Then we create a context and call it useContext and export it. Now we wrap our app in useContext provider with passing the states and the variable we want to pass down to child component. In our example, we pass clicks to test component. Now in test components we import useContext hook. We import useContext hook and give it the useContext as an argument, and call the props we give it to the useContext in parent component. Now, like you can see, we can change the state in the parent components and change in the child component.